Okay guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a landing page. Okay, so I selected this product or clickbank. Okay, it's Dentitox, is a product for teeth and gum. Okay, it's one of the top selling product or clickbank. So this is your sales page. So if you want to promote your you want to promote product online, you have to use landing page because you can't direct link or use link shortener. Okay, because platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Google, they don't like you using direct linking. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can create a free landing page. Okay, so I saw this guy running a Google ads. Okay, so he created a landing page similar to the sales page. If you can see, if you look at it where he created something similar to the sales page. Okay, so he created it so people won't even notice. Okay, and it's very simple. Alright, click. When you click here, it's going to the sales page. If you click here, go to the sales page and they have added this link there. Very simple. Okay, so I'll be teaching you how you can do this, but before I do that, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit this red subscribe button. Okay, and turn the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a video. I post content on how to make money online. Okay, be it affiliate marketing, CP marketing, and other tutorials. Okay, so actually me, I make use of Aweber. Okay, I usually make use of their free version. Okay, they have lots. I've created a lot of landing pages on Aweber and the rest. Okay, I think I've created for Dentity Talks before. Yes, let me show you sample of the landing page I created on Dentity Talks. Let me copy my URL link and show you the sample. Okay, I created two. I was testing them and see the one that um did well. Okay, please just ignore the URL link. Okay, so I created something like this, but it was not that really good. Okay, it did not really convert. I created another one that converted well, but this is actually cool. But that some adjustment I have to make is this blue color background. Okay, because I was just testing things out. You have to make the color look real because how the landing page have white blue, so it doesn't really match. Okay, so the thing I can edit. So you can make use of Aweber, just that Aweber have stopped accepting free account because many of people have spam the platform. Okay, so the one we'll be using here is systeme.io. So come here, systeme.io, systeme.io. Okay, you can see their plan. They have the free version whereby you can collect email up to 2,000 email. You can create, I think, only 3 landing pages. Okay, so if you increase your plan, you can do more work. So you can start with the free plan. Maybe when you earn some money online, then you can upgrade. So to start, just click on start for free, enter your email address. Okay, get started for free. So I think they'll send you an email address with your login. So let's go back to the Gmail. Okay, so inbox. I'm showing you guys step by step so you guys won't have any problem doing this on your own also. Okay, okay, so this is the email. Okay, tap on it to open. So click on the confirmation link to direct you to their website. Okay, so I think this is where you just complete the registration. So now enter a password. Sorry, enter a password. Then click I'm not a robot. So after you have finished setting your password, okay, so you'll be directed to log in. When you log in, this will be the dashboard you see. Okay, so you see 0 leads. These are leads, means number of email you collected. Okay, so this is just the dashboard. Okay, so for you to access other things, you have to tap on the menu here. Okay, click on this drop down button here. You can see a lot of things. Let me see. Okay, so let's go to this main dashboard, affiliate dashboard. Let's see the affiliate dashboard. Okay, so nothing really. Okay, so you can even promote the Systeme affiliate program with your link. You earn 40%. Okay, so and they also have some marketplace whereby you can promote some kind of stuff and make money. That's cool. So for us to create the landing page, you have to come over to, I think, funnels. Okay, so from here, so from the funnel here, you have to create, tap on create. Okay, when you tap on create, okay, so let me try to reduce the font so you can see this properly. Okay, so you have to collect email address and build an email list. Okay, make sure you tap on is the best. Okay, so yes, create. Okay, you have to give it a name. Okay, let's say Denti Talks. Okay, then create. Okay, so to show you list of some templates. Okay, so you don't need to start creating all this from scratch. Okay, okay, these are some templates you can make use of. Okay, you can just scroll through them. To take a while to load. Okay, you can just go to them little by little. Okay, and choose the one you like. Okay, so just for the base of this tutorial, I won't be wasting much time, so let me just pick a simple one. Let's select this. Okay, so we click on this page. So this is the editor, so you can add a lot of things. Just have to like go through the platform, test things out. Okay, so this is the editor here. So let me go back to the sales page. Okay, one simple way to maintain your smile, let me just copy it, then come back to this editor here, tap here. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, so can I enter your name and email address to receive a free video. Okay, you can just edit this to something. You can write a free video training as a bonus. You can add something like this. Okay, then so you cannot do something like this and just I can change the background. Okay, let's see, background color. Okay, let's see. Okay, background image you can add, but let me see if I can download any background image from here. Not sure. So if you want to change the background image, you just come here, background image, add select file. Okay, so I don't have a background image yet, so when you are done, you just click on save changes. Okay, and tap on exit. Okay, so you just have to wait for it to load. Then you can tap on this I button to view it. Okay, these are your landing page looks like. So if someone enter their name, let's test it out. Okay, and email address, let's do this. Okay, tap on send free video training. Okay, so we are not really done with the creating the landing page. Okay, because after this you have to come over here, create something here. Okay, I think you select something, you select the thank you page, or if you don't want multiple pages, you can come over to squeeze page, and the part for the button you just have to embed the link there. Okay, so it's very simple. You embed the link in the, okay, let me show you. When I go back to edit, okay, let me show you guys. So this is it here. When you come down here, you tap on this and you see this settings button here, tap on it, and to bring over here. So action when button is clicked, you just have to write open URL. So here you have to enter your URL you want to use. So let me say this is the sales page, this is our landing, the sales page, like our affiliate link for the product want to promote. Then you paste it here. Then you can put open in same window or open in same window and see. Okay, that's cool. You can also change the color of the button, many things, just and tap on save change, always save change. Okay, then exit. It's very simple. And you can see here you can edit the URL part, but note, if you can see, I think the email address I use, the email address, that's the thing that is here. So you can just create a email address. Maybe if you want to promote something like weight loss product, you can just create a email address like weight loss something at gmail.com. So to be like https weight loss or system, something like that, you grab. So let's view the sales page again and let's see whether the link works out. So let's test it again. Name, let me enter a random name. Email address, let me enter a random email address. Send the video, and you can see it directed me to the landing, to the product. So doing this, you have collected this person email address. So let me show you that you have actually collected the email address. Let's go back to dashboard. Okay, let's see main dashboard. You see like 2 leads. Okay, it's still showing 1. Okay, leads means email address. Okay, this is the email address here. Okay, so if you noticed, it's writing the first email address you choose, because that one, because for you to collect email address you have to like send it to a squeeze page. Okay, but if you link them direct, it won't collect their email address. You can see, so you can do it the other way, 2 ways. Okay, just test things out and see the one that works best for you, because some people don't like spending too much time, because when after clicking a page on a landing page, guiding to another landing page, so people might just lose interest and click off. But you have collected their email address, that's nice. And sometimes some people just want to like, okay, this is landing page, when they click like buy now, they should just go back to the main product and buy, but you're not getting their email address. So you can just like test the two out, split test, and see the one that work best for you. So that's just all about creating landing page. If you actually gain something from this video, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video, and comment down below if you have any issue trying this platform out. Do have a nice day. Thank you.